We also have to take into account significant figures when we are measuring an object, and there's two ways we can do this. The first way is to report the value based upon the lowest demarcation of your measuring equipment. The next way is to increase your number of significant digits by approximating the measured value between two demarcations of your measuring equipment. And to see these two in application, let us look at an example. Say we're using micrometers to measure the diameter of a marble. We're going to assume our units to be taken as millimeters, and we want to report the value. We see that based upon the edge of the micrometer and the arrow indicating where our measurement lies, that we are between 5 and 6 millimeters. So based upon the first method, we could report a result of 5 millimeters. Or we'd recognize that our measurement point is between 5 and 6 millimeters, and we can estimate where it lies. It's a little below the halfway point, so we could say this is 5.4 millimeters. If we had a better micrometer that had those regions marked off, we could more reliably make a measurement or an estimate.